हाय यश, जय माता दी। बताओ बेटा, हाउ कैन
Yeah,
आई।
Madhuri, sir. So first of all, I just want to thank you, sir. Your videos have helped me a lot, sir. Like,
विच
like
पैकेज
the
हैव यू बॉट अभी अभी
so
तक तो?
I've got the visionary and achievers because for my safety, I really wanted the visionary because there was the lifeboat, so that helped me a lot, sir. And I just recently cleared my class four oral, sir. So yes, sir. Thank you. So I just wanted to ask you, sir, like as my TME days. I can say, like in the last 2 months, I must have learned, like I got the hang of things. But in the bunkering, I couldn't do very well, sir. Like maybe I must have tried it once with the fourth engineer, but I couldn't get any chance. Little tough times. So I just wanted to ask you, sir, like what should I do before joining?
आई गेस इन विजन अचीवर पैकेज हैव कवर्ड बंकरिंग वेरी वेल, if I am very clear.
Yes, sir. But the documentation and
Oh God, don't worry. But it is most important thing is calculation, where because documentation that can change company to company as well.
okay,
Everything
yes, sir.
can change. So when
Yes,
you
sir.
go on ship, the smartest way is when you go on ship, ask the fourth engineer ki what all documents they'll be filed somewhere. अच्छा xerox
Okay.
कैसे था, कहाँ से किया,
Yes,
and
sir.
everything. He'll let you know. Just click those photographs and keep with you. And before
Okay.
the bunkering starts, so you know that bunkering is 5 days after this. So 5 days before only start preparing the paperwork. अच्छा कैसे किया, कैसे नहीं किया. In between ask third engineer. अच्छा सर आप कैसे करते थे. Then in between whenever you prepare, tell first time sir बड़ा साहब को, sir at least 5 days before, sir just can you brief me a little bit what I have to do over there, but don't go like a stupid man. So before that you prepare bunker checklist रखो, सब कुछ रखो अपने पास. Sir this is what I
Yes,
know.
sir.
When you go through the bunker checklist you'll get an idea what to do. Then check all the bunker tanks everywhere where they are, how to take the soundings, everything. But you have to do it very proactively beforehand. And then you
Yes, sir.
go up to him. If you go like, sir, what to do? बोलेगा साला क्या गधा आया. But you tell
Yes.
them, sir, I know these are the bunker tanks. We have to take the bunkers over here. Sir, I
Yes,
have
sir.
calculated this much bunker. We have to take bunker calculation. You have to go through very wisely through the achiever package. Copy it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
that is how you go through it. And then you tell him, sir, paperwork I have already seen. IMO number यहाँ डालते हैं. I want to share with you what I know. Just tell me if I'm going wrong. If you say that, I'll be impressed as a chief engineer.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, this boy has
Correct.
done his homework. Now he's come to me. He's not coming like a ass. Sir, बता दो मेरे को क्या करना है.
Correct, sir.
Don't worry about that part.
Prior 5 days, just
Calculation
ask
वगैरह में should
everything.
be smart.
Yes.
Calculation, balls खोलने हैं, कितना खोलना है, कैसे खोलना है. That is where you have to be very smart.
Okay,
Okay?
sir. Especially the bunker checklist, we should be thorough
Yes,
with
yes.
that.
But see, again, when you start reading, people don't read it properly. Already the job is done. If you
Okay, sir.
start following. So
Yes, sir.
don't worry about that part. When you start
And
reading it, all the things will be clear. हाँ बोलो.
yes, sir. Another thing, like I've asked like other fourth engineers, like before joining, they said like you should keep the inventory also because this will be my job now as going.
Which inventory?
Like the spares, sir, for the
Always
purifier.
for your machinery. See,
Yes, sir. Yes,
purifiers
sir.
and compressors you will be handling. तो
Yes,
जिन
sir.
लोगों
Yes,
को
sir.
नहीं पता inventory means कि what all spares you have. Suppose
Yes,
if
sir.
there is a pump and there is a impeller get damaged, so do
Yes,
you
sir.
have a spare impeller or not? Do you need or
Yes,
not?
sir.
तो वो inventory तो आपको रखनी पड़ेगी. The old fourth year will share the old inventory with you. Okay, this is my inventory. Then
Okay,
once
sir.
you go on ship, within the first 15 days, you check all the inventory. When you are
Okay.
checking the inventory, there will be a lot of equipments which will not, which will see what is this here, I don't know. Then try to find out what is this. When you find out, you'll understand. Say यहाँ पर लगता है, ये यहाँ पर लगता है. I still remember मैंने जब फोर्थ ईयर मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैकेनिकल सील अच्छा इस तरह की भी होती है. प्यूरीफायर का ये पार्ट कहाँ
हाँ,
पे
sir.
लगता है नहीं पता. बट when
हाँ,
you
sir.
start looking at the purifier manual and ये पार्ट कहाँ होता है, then you अच्छा ये यहाँ लगता है. So that is how you start recognizing. So that
Yes,
is what
sir.
you have to do.
So
इन्वेंट्री का
the
उसमें
yes,
ये
sir.
चीज क्या है, पार्ट नंबर लिखा. ये पार्ट नंबर क्या है, ये कहाँ पे लगता है, ये
Mhm.
कैसा दिखता है और इसका काम क्या है. अगर ये पता चल जाए, you will do great on ship.
Yes, sir. So refer. I'll just ask the fourth engineer. He might like tell me before what all the things were there.
अरे he will tell you. You just make a list. Don't worry about that part. Don't bother.
Okay.
इन्वेंट्री की लिस्ट दे दे भाई मुझे. बंकरिंग का क्या क्या है, किस टैंक का कहाँ क्या है. शो मी ऑल द पाइपलाइंस. Purifier, how to start, how to stop, what all problems he have faced. He must be maintaining a diary of what all work done he has done on purifiers.
Yes,
And
sir.
what all problems he has faced, just write them down or audio record them. कि क्या क्या problems face करें. What he did that. What he did when he faced that problem. Just ensure that you know that. Because that will give you 15 days head start.
Yes, sir.
Normally on board ship 20-60% problems are same to same. से प्यूरीफायर में वही प्रॉब्लम कई बार 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 होगी. सो इफ यू टेल्स यार मेरे
Yeah.
दिमाग में टाइम में ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ था और मैंने ये
Correct, sir.
किया था, एटलीस्ट
Yes,
यू
sir.
गलत किया था सही किया था, कम से कम ये तो किया था। सो कम से कम वो तो तुम्हें आता होगा, देन यू कैन स्टार्ट रीडिंग द मैनुअल्स एंड अप्लाई योर ब्रेन्स एंड मेक इट वर्क। मेक सेंस?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And so just like the machineries, like what should I go through more? So I should be more thorough before joining.
You are going to handle machineries, purifiers and compressors. So
Yes,
just
sir.
go through them very well. Achiever package में, but मुझे एक चीज समझ नहीं आती, why you guys think it, why do you guys take dreamer package so lightly? मुझे बस इतना जानना है, honestly I'm discussing with you कि as a fourth year
No.
I want to give you that access. Just go through that in the next 10 days, 20 days and tell me whether you learned something new or not. I would love to know that. Because
yes, sir, definitely.
why I'm saying so is you guys take a lot of things lightly. कि अरे यार ये तो बहुत बेसिक है, क्योंकि प्रनीत सर ने विस्कॉस से ज्यादा वो तो मुझे पता है। बट उस पैकेज में भी मैं तुम्हें बता सकता हूँ, गारंटी दे सकता हूँ कि तुम्हारे ऐसे लोगों के लिए भी 40% चीजें ऐसी होंगी जो कि तुम्हें नहीं पता होंगी। आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट।
Yes, sir. I've seen the demo of it on YouTube of the Dreamers package, sir. So it was very helpful. So I'm like, soon I'll be.
यार असली थ्योरी वही है।
हाँ सर।
विजनरी पैकेज, अचीवर पैकेज में I've gone closer, और विजनरी पैकेज is one step closer to ship. Achiever package is more closer to the machinery. But अगर your basic fundamental, see again, I found a fourth year was telling me, sir मेरे fourth में जो purifier समझ में आ गया है। तो when I started asking on density, he could not answer properly because the thought process was not. मैंने बोला ट्रबल शूटिंग नहीं कर पाओगे, and then तुम बोलोगे सर ने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ाया। My vision is कि you guys should become fabulous engineers on board ship. But अगर बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है भाई, कभी नहीं कर पाओगे, ये मेरा वादा है तुमसे। एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ, कोशिश शुरू करें। चलो मुझे बताओ कि why do we start centrifugal pump with a discharge valve shut? पहला क्वेश्चन।
The discharge valve shut, so that we can, the back pressure we can build up, sir. बेड़ा गर्क। अगर तुमने, अब तुम खुद खरीदोगे, अब साला कोई एक्सेस नहीं मिलेगा। Okay, sir. Yes. Go buy it right now. If okay, after 20 days also you don't like it, just tell me, I'll refund your money. I'm saying it openly. Definitely, I'll do that, sir.
Buy it. अबे मैंने अपनी जिंदगी के 6 महीने ये इतने नोट्स बनाए, ये जत्ते के जत्ते यहाँ बन के पड़े हुए थ्योरी के, सिर्फ ड्रीमर पैकेज के लिए। विजनरी पैकेज वाज ऑल ये It took me 6 months to prepare dreamer package. It is the basics. अगर तुमने ड्रीमर नहीं किया है, विजनरी यस थ्योरी प्लस वो है, तो तुम अचीवर में आके अटकोगे, तुम कभी अच्छे ट्रबल शूटर नहीं बन सकते।
ओके सर,
so this is what I want to say is, beta, if you want my help, if you trust me, please,
yes sir, I do. Yes sir,
if you trust me, please go for the dreamer package and it will help you much more. ऐसा नहीं बोलो कंपैरिजन, because vision you need. अगर तुमने ड्रीमर पैकेज है, giving me this answer, जय माता दी है। तो see what I want to say is कि basic fundamentals में है, then from there you jump to visionary, because what I've done is I've done chronologically. मैंने अगर ड्रीमर में, if the first video I've said something, then only I've used in the third video, fifth video. Correct. Then only if I've explained something in dreamer package very well, that I have not explained in visionary package. If I've explained something in dreamer visionary, I have not explained in achiever package. So the thread is lost. Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Even if you understand a lot of stuff, you will not understand the basics by, and you'll think this is so simple, yaar, I understand. No, it does not work that way. So, जो लोग बेसिक से जुड़ रहे हैं शुरू से, they will become fabulous engineers. That is my promise. If they don't become, that means I'm not a good engineer myself. Jai Mata Di. Just want to be like you, sir. No, or I don't say don't be like me. There are some very, very good engineers. Maybe I'm just a bit more expressive, or maybe I'm just good at executing and getting things done. But there's some fabulous engineers out there. You have to become like them, not at all like me. Please rest assured. मेरी तरफ तो बिल्कुल मत बनना.
So one more doubt, sir. So like, as I've sailed on bulk as TME, so what are the chances of switching into tankers like gas carriers? कंपनी में टैंकर्स हैं तुम्हारी? कंपनी में टैंकर्स हैं? No sir, only bulk. तो यार एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बल्क पे मार के फिर then try to switch over to a company which has got tankers, but it will become a slow process. Okay, but there are chances, sir. Like हाँ, why not? Everywhere. तुम किस कंपनी में सेल कर रहे हो? In Tomini Shipping, sir. Tomini Shipping.
अब मुझे नहीं पता कितनी अच्छी शिपिंग कंपनी है ये।
This was under BSM के अंडर था सर।
Okay. Then you can always give it a try. तो BSM में आने की कोशिश कर लेना वहीं से। BSM
एक डाउट था सर, बिकॉज अभी जैसे बल्क में मशीनरीज बहुत कम रहते कंपेयर टू गैस कैरियर्स एंड ऑल, तो सडनली जाना बहुत मुश्किल है सर।
You are with me, right? Trust me, I'm working on a lot of projects, yaar. I'm not finding the right team, right people. This is the biggest problem with me right now. So I'm working on a lot of projects where if a person who is from a bulk carrier wants to shift to tankers, so if one package should help him with everything, I'm working on that. how to start a COPT पूरा plant, IG system, you should be aware over here.
That will be helpful, sir.
Theoretical concept clear है, वहां पर जाके ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं आएगी, because theory से ही problems solve होती है. Don't worry, okay?
Right, sir.
I am working यार, have trust, but please यार मेरे को दुख तब लगता है जब मेरी पूरी मेहनत खराब होती है. So even if you're buying Visionary Achiever, if you're not answering this, I will not term you as a good engineer. So go for
I would do that, sir. First thing I would do that, sir.
Please just do that now, and I promise you, अगर
Yes,
अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, बट आराम से देखना प्लीज. ड्रीमर पैकेज आराम से देखना, नोट्स बनाना. विजनरी पैकेज तुम थोड़ा एंजॉय करो, क्योंकि इट इज जस्ट गेटिंग यू क्लोजर टू शिप.
यस सर.
क्या है क्या नहीं. अचीवर पैकेज फिर मेहनत है, अचीवर पैकेज फिर समझना पड़ेगा.
करेक्ट सर.
Stop it. Just do that यार, एंजॉय करो, ठीक है.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम.
ठीक है, बाय बाय.